OK, so on this one, again, guys, before I'm going to be doing anything, before I want to do anything, I got to be able to determine what type of equation am I going to be dealing with. So let's plot the information that we have. It says my vertices are 0, 5, and 0, negative 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vertice, vertice. Since my vertices all lie on the same major axis, is that major axis going to be vertical or horizontal, Kaylee? Vertical, right? So that means there's only one equation that I can use. That's the one for a vertical ellipse. So that's x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. And then here it's going to be b squared over a squared, where now the value of my a, the distance squared of my vertices to the center, is going to be under y. So remember, if here's my two vertices, here's my center. Right? And that's good. And also, since we know what the distance, we can determine that the distance from the center to a vertice is a, right? Which is equal to 5. So let's plug in the information we know. So we have x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared all over b squared all over a squared, which is 5 squared. Let's just write it like that. Equals 1. OK? Now, ladies and gentlemen, they're asking us to find the standard form of the equation, right, Lucas? So we don't know x, we don't know y, and we don't know b. Correct? The only thing x and y represents is points on the line, right? Or points on the ellipse. There's infinite many points on the ellipse. That's what x and y represent. B represents the distance from the center to my co-vertice. Do I have any information on my center to my co-vertice? No. And I don't know what my foci is for C, because usually we have the information for A and C, then we find B. But I don't have any information for the foci either. I do have information, though, on a random point that is on my ellipse. So I can plug that in for x and y. So now, let's go ahead and do that. So I have 4 minus 0 is just 4 squared over b squared plus 2 minus 0 squared over 5 squared equals 1. So now let's just go ahead and fix this. So that's 16 over b squared equals 4 over, plus 4 over 25 equals 1. To solve for b squared, I'll subtract 4 over 25. So I have 16 over b squared is going to equal 21 over 25. Yes? Anybody need me to? No. Is that correct? Because you changed the 1 to 25 over 25? OK. Now, you could do this a couple different ways. One way we do it is just be to cross multiply. 21b squared equals 16 times 25, which I do not know. 16 times 25 is 400, and the square root, so that's times 25. And then divide that by 21. Ooh. That's not good. I don't remember getting that answer. What happened? 16, that's 4 over 25.
What number is this?
33. Yeah, I just want to find b squared, though. I don't remember getting that answer. Where did it go? I plugged in 4 in for the x, correct. 2 in for the y, correct. The distance of A is 5, and it's vertical, so it's under the y. All right, I guess I'll have to go through this. So then I'll divide by 21. B squared equals, I'll just leave that as 19. Round to there. So therefore, my b squared, so my final equation is just going to be x squared over 19 plus y squared over 25 equals 1. Now let's round this to, yeah. So that's how you do that one, at least the work. I'll have to go and look. I just don't remember getting that answer before.